Alright guys, so today we got in these pile driver cross bolts for the crossbow. It says they got bone crushing penetration. Heard a lot of good things about them. They are the 20-inch 442 grain. My understanding is that is with a 100 grain broadhead or field tip. It's compatible with most crossbows. Includes universal knock system, half moon knock, and the C knock. Alright, so there's the straightness within 1/10,000th of an inch. They're all sorted to be matching, and there's the match set. Tells you a little bit about it. You got your moon knock and the C knock, depending on what bow you're using. This tells you the difference between the 20 and the 22 inches. Alright, so this is for you if you want bone crushing penetration. Evidently it's a little heavier, and you get a lot more kinetic energy that way. Alright, so let's open them up and see what they look like here. Alright, so first thing you notice is the spare knocks here. So those right there will be your C knocks. And those will be compatible with anything that uses the alpha knock, which is a trademark of the 10-point. Get these things out of here. This is a 6-pack that I ordered off of Amazon. I want to say after tax and everything, it was about $41 or $42. Good looking arrow from what I can see. This does have the half moon knock on it. By Carbon Express. Well, they're made in Korea. What do you know? Hard to find anything that's actually made in the USA anymore. So anyway, that's just a quick rundown of these pile driver cross bolts by Carbon Express. We'll try them out here after a while and see how they do. Got any questions? Feel free to ask.